Another procedure you may encounter is rebuilding the wheel cylinder. You may have to perform this procedure if fluid leaks past the cups or if the pistons have seized in the wheel cylinder bore. However, if the pistons have seized and cannot be removed, the wheel cylinder will have to be replaced. Some wheel cylinders can be rebuilt while still mounted to the backing plate, but here we'll go through the procedure with the wheel cylinder removed. We'll begin by disassembling the wheel cylinder. Start by removing the bleeder screw. If you use heat to help remove the bleeder screws, disassemble the wheel cylinder first. Remove the boots, the pistons, and the cups from the wheel cylinder body. Then slide the spring out of the body. Throw away any rubber parts. Clean all of the parts with denatured alcohol. Inspect all parts for damage. Any component that has damage that will affect its performance will need to be replaced. Minor scratches, corrosion, or oxidation in the bore can be honed. However, the cylinder can only be honed to within 0.003 inches, 0.08 millimeters, of the original diameter.
Only a wheel cylinder with a steel or cast iron bore can be honed. Aluminum wheel cylinders with a rolled finish cannot be honed if they do not have a steel liner. They must be replaced. Select each tab for more information. When finished, select Next to continue.
Put the wheel cylinder in a vise using its mounting flange. Then attach the appropriate hone to the drill. Lubricate both the bore and the hone with clean brake fluid. Put the hone in the bore. Turn the drill on and run it at about 500 RPM. Run it back and forth along the bore walls several times, not allowing the hone to leave the bore. Stop after 10 seconds and remove the hone. Clean the area in the bore with alcohol or brake cleaning solvent and inspect the area. Repeat this process until the area is smooth and free of corrosion and oxidation. Clean the bore thoroughly with clean brake fluid. Finally, insert a 0.003 inch, 0.08 millimeter feeler gauge into the bore. Attempt to slide the piston in the internal diameter of the wheel cylinder. If the piston slides in easily, there is too much clearance. You can double-check this by measuring with a micrometer. If there is too much clearance, replace the wheel cylinder. You are ready to reassemble and install the wheel cylinder. This procedure is the reverse of the disassembly procedure. We will now do an exercise to reassemble and install the wheel cylinder.